Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a tutorial over my original fish sticks bracelet. So here's the example that I have with me. And here is actually a picture from Instagram. This is the design that I entered in Claire's Wear's original Illuminate Me US contest back in 2015. And there was originally a tutorial by Rainbowloomious, but Rainbowloomious at some point made their YouTube channel private, which is why I'm remaking the tutorial. Alright, so let's get into the video. So you'll notice that you'll need three colors. You'll need this color that sort of separates the section, and then the sections, and then you'll need one for each of these sections. There's a little tighter section and a looser section. So you're going to start with the one that separates them, which today I'm going to be using black. And you're just going to make a cap band on your hook. And then you're going to grab the band color that you're going to use for your looser section. So I'm going to use gold. And you just pull that through the cap band, like that. And then what you want to do is take your original color, which for me was black, and pull one band through each side of the band that's on your hook. Alright, and so here's where we start getting into the actual pattern. You're going to start with that color that was my second band, so the gold, and you're going to take your first one and you're going to pull it through the first three loops on the hook, then pick up the outer one. So this creates a fishtail border, which is part of what inspired the name fish sticks. So then you take your next band through two loops and pick up that outer one, and you take the next one, that same color, through two loops and pick up the outer one. So now you're going to have 6 loops on your hook, 5 of one color and 1 of another color, and it'll look like that. Now you can turn everything around, and you're going to be repeating that on the other side, but it's different depending on which bands you're picking up, so I'll show you what I mean. The color I'm using for this section is silver. So you're going to pull it through the first 3 and then pick up the outer one, like that. Then you take another band, pull it through 2, pick up the outer one, and then you pick up a third band, pull it through 2, and pick up the outer one. So now you'll have 8 bands on your hook. The first 5 will be of one color, and the last 3 will be of another. So now what you want to do is take that original, for me it's black, it's the original color that separates your sections, and you're going to pull one band through the first 4 and one band through the second 4. So you will see that there will be this one band that's a different color that's over here with the rest of the gold. You don't necessarily want to turn this around because you will be looping bands onto this side. So I will be showing that again if that was a bit confusing about what I just did. But so you pulled 4 bands onto this one black and 4 bands onto this black. Alright, so now you're going to start over using the gold again. And so the pattern is that you'll pull a band through the first 3, pick up the outer one, pull a band through 2, pick up the outer one, pull a band through another 2, pick up the outer one, then turn it around, use your other color, pull a band through 3, pick up the outer band, pull a band through 2, pick up an outer band, and pull a band through 2 and pick up the outer band. So the number of bands you're pulling your new bands through doesn't change. It's just the color of those bands and the number of bands on your hook that does change. And if that verbal explanation didn't make sense to you, I will be showing you how to do that a few more times in this video. So you're going to pull your gold, for me it's gold, you're going to pull your loose section color through the first 3 bands and pick up that outer one, then reattach. Grab another band, pull it through 2, reattach the outer one, and pull a band through 2 and pick up the outer one and reattach. Now you're going to turn everything around, and you're going to take your other section color, the tighter section color, pull a band through the first 3, pick up the outer one, pull a band through the first 2, pick up the outer one, and pull a band through 2 and pick up the outer one. Just like that. And now I'll show you what I did before with adding these blacks. So you'll take the color that separates your loose and tight sections, and you'll pull one band through the first 4 on the hook, which should all be one color. Then you're going to take those 2 bands, or those 2 loops, those first 2 loops off of your hook, but hold on to them and just make sure they don't come undone. Then you're going to grab your other band and you're going to pull it through the last 4 bands on your hook, which are 3 of one color and then 1 of a different color. Reattach like that, and then reattach this band that you're holding. Just like that. Now you'll start the process over again. So using my loose section color, which is gold, I pull a band through 3, pick up the outer one, reattach, pull a band through 2, pick up the outer one, which is same as saying fishtail the edge, reattach, and pull a band through 2, pick up the outer one, and reattach. And then you want to take all 6 loops on your hook and turn them around. Then take your other color, pull a band through 3, pick up the outer band, pull a band through 2, pick up the outer band, and pull a band through 2, pick up the outer band, and then you'll have 8 bands on your hook, and you will take your separating color, pull it through 4 and close. Remove those 2 loops, but don't let go of them. Pull another band through the last 4 and close. Alright, and then you're going to be starting over with your loose section color, which is the gold, and then repeat the process. Whoops. You do have to make sure that this band, this black, stays crossed over. I did say you shouldn't turn that around. Alright, so if you do happen to turn it around right here to pull the band through the 4 loops, that's fine. You just have to make sure you turn it back around so that when you start adding your loose color again, the color directly beneath that is this tight color, if that makes sense. Alright. Whoops. Hope I wasn't getting too off camera there. Alright, I am going to stop right here so that I'll finish off camera just because I'm running out of space and I do want to get this tutorial done in one take. Alright, there you go. I thought I had counted out exactly, but you know, I'm not sure that I need that last band. Anyway, if you need to extend it any longer, you can put another band in there. I actually think I'm going to take that out. Alright, so there you go. Now you can just clip the final creation. Maybe. Alright, there you go. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial. My Instagram is at crazyforcats19 if you do have an Instagram account. And if you do make this bracelet and have an Instagram, you can hashtag crazyforcats19 and hashtag fishsticksbracelet. Alright, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!